super sarap. As in, talagang sobrang di ko na siya makalimutan.
Talagang matakaw lang ako kaya gusto ko mas madami yung sa akin.
Grabe, sobrang bango.
Ready?
Masarap, pero matapang. Wow!
Dito mo lang ilalagay.
Lamig. 23 degrees daw kasi. Feels like feels like 17. Kasi mahangin eh. Yung hangin yung nagpapalamig, pero yung araw, mainit siya eh. Well, mainit naman talaga yung araw. Ano daw? Maaraw, pero malamig yung hangin.
I know that I'll be fine, but I can't tell. Think about the time when I
Sige. Just pa rin.
made it to
Thank you. Laki-laki na.
Kasama to nito.
Oo.
No?
That's the papadambit.
Yeah. Cheers.
Parang konti.
Yum. Sarap nito, babe.
Ano?
Matami.
Oo.
Cheers.
Okay.
Cheers.
Biyanan.
Alam mo na lang yan dahil naano sa TikTok.
Masarap. Pero matapang. Pero masarap. Sarap yung lychee. Pero grabe. Tapang. Sobrang sarap.
Sarap, no? Ayun,
Kingfish.
maliit lang serving.
Kingfish ceviche. The basket? Yeah.
And then put the Karai paneer right here. And then also got a rice.
Thank you. Thank you. Garlic na. You order the basket. And what's this? Kaday paneer. This is what? Coconut curry.
Coconut curry. Street from.
So good. Ano?
That's how I imagine it.
Huh? That's how you imagine? Okay. Parang ang tagal bago.
Parang may unang tapos may parang second.
Parang sa second, umano yung...
hey, so go ahead and leave it.
Wala nang katao-tao. Grabe no, 24, tas wala nang katao-tao.
Sa Pilipinas, 24. Wala ka din masyadong tao.
Hindi, compared naman dito. Marami pa din. Yung mga last minute shopping, usually. Meron pa, may tao pa. Dito ka sa kabila. Actually, meron pa eh. Kasi nga nagla-last minute shopping sila. Dito, halos wala ng tao sa kalsada. Well, meron pa pero sobrang konti na lang.
25 ano naman ang tao.
Sa Pinas. Dito, 25. Mas lalong walang katao-tao kasi sarado ang majority.
Meron ka bang
Di ko alam.
Could be anywhere, doing anything, seeing anyone, but why are you in my head? No second guess, every second thought, where the setup is, for how your name gets involved. But I'd rather be with you. Oh, I'd rather be with you. I've been everywhere, doing everything, seeing everyone, but still stuck in my head. Do I gotta do to get over you? 'Cause I'm not over you. Is it stupid to say?
ito yung lunch, dinner namin for
Ha?
tomorrow.
Lunch? Snack.
Snack.
Muna mamayang gabi. Tapos-
Sana may makita tayong movie. Movie tayo mamaya.
Tapos,
Isa-snack mo yung pasta?
hindi, yung pizza lang.
Ah,
Kasi
okay.
ang dami ng pizza eh. Ito yung snack namin late. So, snack, konti lang. Pizza. Pizza. Tapos, lunch talaga to for tomorrow. Pizza and pasta. Yung pasta super sarap. Kasi talagang sobrang hindi ko na siya makalimutan.
Hindi siya makatulog nung
Oo,
natikman namin yung pasta. Palagi niyang sinasabi.
Yun.
Yung pasta, kailan ba tayo nagpasta? Kailan natin na-discover
Tinry
yan?
namin to few nights ago, mga 3 nights ago yata. Kasi wala kaming, Saturday. Kasi after nung Christmas party ko sa company.
Tama.
Naghanap kami ng quick dinner, tapos wala kami mapuntahan. So, ano lang yun, random place lang na tinry
Oo.
namin. Tapos, nung kinain namin yung
Panalo
pasta.
yung pasta.
Ang sarap, as in, super. Like, to the point na hanggang kinabukasan, paulit-ulit ko sinasabi sa kanya. Gusto ko kumain.
Akala nga namin mali pa nung una eh.
Oo.
Pero chinek namin yung menu ulit. Tama
Tumatabi.
naman. Scallops. Scallop pasta.
Sarap. Ano siya, 10 out of 10. Well,
Yung
11
pizza
out
okay
of
lang.
10.
Saks.
Yung pizza masarap din, pero yung winner is yung pasta. So yun, uwi na kami sa bahay.
Nangangawit na ako. Bye-bye.
All so differently. I would.
So this is our pizza. Wow! Yummers! Then siyang salami, olives, mozzarella, and mushrooms. Yummers. Tapos, snack mamaya. Pero, para tomorrow talaga yan. Ito yung pagkasarap-sarap na pasta. Mukha siyang plain, ordinary, but it's so good. Like, yummy. Panalo yan. Grabe. Sobrang bango. Kung di lang ako busog na busog, kumirot na ako dito. Bango. Sobrang bango. Ilang araw din kitang inisip. Inisip ko din to ilang araw dahil sobrang nasarap na talaga ako. Two thumbs up. 11 out of 10. Kumakain na naman siya ng ice cream. So, eto na yung aming Christmas Eve. Ayan. Ganyan, yun na yun. So, maghanap lang kami na mapapanood. Mag-freshen up. Manonood. Habang kumakain ng pizza later. And that's it. So, we'll see you tomorrow on Christmas Day. It's Christmas Day and we don't have any plans. Yes, we don't have any plans for today aside from running. Well, since we arrived here in Australia, our Christmas is not as interesting as our Christmas if we're in the Philippines. Kasi we don't have any families here. It's just the two of us, me and my husband. I'm not gonna cook today. Today, the only plan is to just run. We will do a 5K run, and then after that, we will just eat our takeaway pizza and pasta. By the way, I just want to show my nails. Look at that. I'm obsessed. They are so cute and girly like me. Fit check. Running fit check. Okay, Adidas, Kmart. Ako, wala. Adidas shoes, Muscle Republic, tsaka kung anik-anik. Hindi ko alam kung anong brand yan. It's Christmas Day and we are running! 5K done! Time to eat! Are you hungry? I'm famished. Max. Spell famished. Let's eat! It's pizza time! We are done running and now it's time to eat. Ang dami mo nang nabawas. Nabawas? As someone who's meal prepping every freaking week, this is heaven. So the menu for today is, drumroll, pizza, pasta, and later, ice cream. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide. Yun yung kakainin namin for the whole week. No, not for the whole week, for the whole day. And I don't care. Calories, I don't care. It's Christmas. Okay. Kaya kain tayo.
Oh, sa akin 3 slices.
Okay. Wait. Let me. Here's a pasta. Oh. Na super sarap. So I'll make it like this. Di-divide ko na into 2. Dahil tumakbo kami, syempre gutom. Baka hindi ko ma-divide ng maayos. Hindi yan nakaano eh.
Hindi, nakikita ko yun.
What the heck is this? It's huge.
Please sponsor us. Because it's yummy.
Baka hindi ko ma-divide na ang tama. Alam mo, I'll just heat it in one
Oh, one naman lang. Masyado kong takot maisahan eh.
Gusto ko
Talagang hinahati. Timbangin mo pa yan. Ang magnanakaw, takot sa kapwa magnanakaw.
No, talagang matakaw lang ako kaya gusto ko mas madaming sa akin.
Sarap ng olive. Ilan sa'yo?
3.
3?
Gutom ako.
Lagi ka namang gutom. Paabutin natin ito ng dinner. Yan. 3 tayo.
Oh, sige.
Well, akin maliit. Pizza. Yan na yun. Naka-square cut na siya eh. Sriracha. Syempre. And, hindi mawawala ang tomato ketchup. Di ako makakain ng pizza nang walang tomato ketchup.
No second guess, every second thought where the setup is for how your name gets involved. But I'd rather be with you.
It's my first time hosting a lunch gathering tomorrow, and today I'm baking all the desserts, so it will be out of the way, and tomorrow I'll just focus on main dishes. So the menu for desserts, one is my specialty pistachio cheesecake. It's already inside the oven, currently baking for about 35 minutes. And the other dessert, oat latte cookies. And then later, I'm just gonna put the icing on top, like this one. I'm just waiting for the pistachio cheesecake to be fully baked. And then it's time for me to rest. Ay, no wait. Di pa pala kami nagsasaing ng kanin. Babe, magsaing ka na ng kanin for tomorrow. Jasmine rice yung gamitin mo, ha? Yun, rice na lang yung kulang. We'll cook it today, tomorrow. All main dishes lang talaga.
Among the living are those who go unseen, laughing along with all our jokes behind the scenes. The presence of these friends cannot be dismissed, no matter how they've been gone. In sunlight or gentle breeze, those who are no longer seen are just as real as you and me. They're our friends.
Wala eh, hindi ka...
Our
Ow! Sira ulo ka talaga.
Ganon.
Pangit!
I no longer feel a sense that it's beyond my grasp, but I can't tell. I know you
I didn't get the chance to vlog all the food that I cooked. Pero nasa mini vlog ko yon sa TikTok if you wanna watch. But anyway, let me fix my shoes. Yesterday, I made all the desserts. I baked pistachio cheesecake and oat latte cookies. And then today, I cooked all the main dishes. So for today, we have braised pork shoulder, beef panang curry, and chicken satay. And we have papadum as well on the side and some salad. So yun, na-marinate ko na yung chicken satay ko 2 nights ago, kaya pinrito ko lang siya kanina. Yun, so nandito na yung mga bisita namin. Baba na tayo. Ang dami kong dala, as in. Wait lang.
But it's sometimes not enough. No matter how long
Kaya pa? Kaya ba?
you've been gone.
Okay. Baba tayo.
In sunlight or gentle breeze, those who are no longer seen are just as real as you and me. They are traveling just ahead of us.
Hello! Hello! Theo! Hi, Theo! Kiss ako, kinis mo daw sinong mic. Kiss! Theo! Hana! Wait, i-bribe natin.
Senior girl has improved since I was a little girl like you.
What's that, Theo?
Just upon the other side,
Nahiya! Nahiya!
they'll be waiting with a smile.
Wow!
We could be going out every night under the lights and trying out brand new drinks with brand new faces. But I'm tired of staying up late. I can't overstate the beauty of settling down with the one you love. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand, cause I've never been more comfortable than in your arms, vulnerable or nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand while we be doing nothing. Thought I'd scare you